Water is one of the most precious resources on Earth. However, it is becoming ever scarcer as we consume more and more of it. Many people are aware of that and want to preserve water. They shower instead of taking a full bath and will turn off the tap in the shower or while brushing their teeth. That's a good start. However, what many do not know is that about a third of the water that a household consumes on a daily basis is accounted for by flushing the toilet. Every time the toilet flushes, an average of 6 to 9 litres of water flows into the drainage system. So if you flush twice, you actually use twice as much water. However, the toilet can also be kept clean with little water. With a Geberit WC system, it is now possible to flush the toilet clean with just 4 litres of water. Even less than 3 litres are sufficient for doing your small business. This works because all elements of the Geberit WC system are perfectly coordinated with each other. That is why, at Geberit, we are developing the entire system, from the cistern and the ceramic appliance to the drainage system. That adds up to a lot of water over the years. Thanks to Geberit innovations, such as the dual flush and the flush stop button, flush water volumes have decreased by 80% compared to 1952. At that time, one person used up about 70 litres of water per day. Today, it is possible to use only 14 litres per day for flushing. This gives individuals the capacity to save a significant amount of water in daily life with little effort, and to make a major contribution to preserving water.